Hello everyone. In this video, we will be seeing about two important concepts of human resource management. One is cost to company and the other one is incentive. First, about cost to company, CTC is calculated by adding the salary and the additional benefits which an employee receives on his service, like his gratuity, provident fund, all the allowances, any coupons he is getting from the company, the insurance the company has taken on him, all the expenses which he can claim, and so on. In simple term, it is the cost which an employer bears to hire and sustain their employees. So the simplest formula is CTC is equals to gross salary and the additional benefits. Now the components of CTC are three: direct benefit, indirect benefits, and saving contributions. Coming to direct benefits, these are the allowances which are directly paid in cash form, like the basic pay, all the allowances which are added in his salary, all the leaves which he is getting from the company, all the incentives and bonuses. Indirect benefits, on the other hand, cannot be got or cannot be enjoyed as a cash form, but they are the benefits which the company provides to their employees, like the subsidized loans, savings of income tax, any sick leaves or provided by the company, accommodations provided, all the premium, insurance premium which the company pays on behalf of the employees, all that. And the third component is the saving contributions, which includes the gratuity that an employee receives and also the provident fund. So CTC on the whole is gross salary plus the direct benefits, the indirect benefits, and the saving contributions altogether. So this is the depiction of the components of a CTC. Now CTC had two elements. One is fixed pay and the other is flexible pay. Fixed pay means it is a fixed amount which the employer pays to the employee for his service in the form of a fixed salary. Now this fixed salary is the basic which cannot be changed, but it can be added later on. Fixed pay, it is the accrued salary which is mentioned in the salary slip which the employee receives at the time of his salary. Flexible pay, on the other hand, it is linked to the employee's performances and achievements. So depending upon the performance and achievements of an employee in the organization, his fixed salary, added to that the benefits related to his performance, will be given as a pay to the employees. Now there are predetermined conditions which the employee has to fulfill in order to get this flexible pay. So this will depend both on the employee's performance as well as the achievement of organizational goal. So the employees, apart from performing well, they should also stick to the objectives of the organization. So the flexible pay scale, it will vary according to the skill of the employees, their experience, and the company policies which every company follows. Now coming to the next concept, incentive. So incentive is a factor, key factor, which will motivate or which has a driving force which will make an employee to do something or behave in a certain way towards fulfilling the given task. So in a company, the human decision and their work is affected by two types of incentives. One is intrinsic and extrinsic incentive. Now intrinsic incentive means it will motivate a person to do something which is depending upon their own self-interest and their desires. So no outside person or outside force can influence them to do something. It is their inner willingness and their self-interest which will motivate them to do their work. That is also a kind of incentive which is intrinsic incentive. On the other hand, extrinsic incentive is the one which is motivated by outside force, like providing rewards in the form of increase in the payment on achieving a certain result, or avoiding the disciplinary action punishments for not doing anything wrong. So when an employee is motivated from the outside by certain factors, it is called extrinsic incentive factors. Now every company will follow different incentive programs. So this incentive program is the reward that will encourage a group to accomplish a goal. So every organization which is working in team will be offered different incentive programs. When they accomplish a goal, they will enjoy depending upon the company incentive program. So in the workplace, incentive programs will be an excellent way to improve motivation, their productivity among the team members. So the different incentive programs are follows. First one is spot bonus. It is also known as spot awards, so which involves a cash reward for certain accomplishment. So when an employee or when a team completes their target on the given time period, they will be provided with the cash benefit. This is the example of a spot bonus. Second one is performance bonus. Now this performance bonus is the monetary reward for the individuals who consistently contribute to the company's success. So this is not for the on the spot activity, but for a consistent period of time, depending upon their performance and contribution to the organization, bonus will be awarded. Next type of incentive program is profit sharing. Now profit sharing plan, it will involve team members getting amount from the total profit the company makes. So because of the team, the company is making a profit. In that case, the company will provide a certain percentage of profit to the team. So the team, when they enjoy the amount from the profit which the company makes, it is known as profit sharing. Next type of incentive program is project bonus. So team members will get a project bonus when they finish a project by the particular deadline. So this type of incentive program will encourage the teamwork among every employee in accomplishing their task. Gain sharing incentive program, it is working by estimating the amount which the company earns in addition to their regular earnings. So then the company will offer the amount back to the employees as a bonus. This is gain sharing. So the company is sharing their gain as a bonus to the employees. Next one is small team incentives. Now this type of incentive program will reward the collective work of a small group or a team. So when an organization is having small groups, or if an organization is working in a particular manner where a team will be consisting only a less number of workers, in order to encourage them, there is a specific program, small team incentive program, which will encourage the small group bonding and teamwork among them, the spirit among them, competitive spirit, and the group will be able to compete for the same bonus. So each and every individual in the small team will work towards achieving their incentives. And the last one is referral bonus. Now referral bonus is the amount provided to any team member who is hiring someone, or when the company hires someone which is recommended by the existing employees. Because the hiring process is very expensive for the companies, it has to be followed by a lot of procedures. So in order to avoid this, the company will recruit a person who is recommended by an existing employee. So for the employee who is referring a person for the position, the referral bonus will be provided. So these are the different types of incentive programs which the current companies follows. And the last concept is benefits of an incentive program. Now, what are the benefits that the companies and the employees get by way of incentive program? First is it improves business goal. So when an employee is provided a monetary benefit or a non-monetary benefit in some sort, they not only encourage the employees, but also it will improve the business goals. Second, it improves the quality of work. Apart from completing their work on time, the standard of their work will also improve. Increasing morale. Since the incentives are dependent on the performance of each individual and as a team, every individual will work according to their target. So this will automatically improve their morale and values. Improves motivation. So this is one of the key factor which is taken for acting as a motivation for the employees. encouraging teamwork. So, when an organization is providing incentives for the team as a whole, every team member will work together in order to achieve that incentive. And the last one is increasing engagement. So the employees, they will be communicating with among themselves and also with their upper levels, which will have a proper bonding and relationship between the employees. Thank you.